Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quotation format updated. Begin by choosing a clean template and set up a header with your company name, quotation number, and date. Next, add client contact details and a clear project description so recipients immediately know what the quote covers. Itemize all services or products with quantities and unit prices, then calculate subtotals, taxes, and a final total for transparency. In this video, I will explain how to make quotation format updated. Choose a pricing strategy that fits your work, whether cost plus markup or a fixed price for predictable projects, and list it internally. Include optional add-ons with separate lines so clients can choose extras without confusion. Clearly display any discounts, early payment terms, or deposit requirements with exact percentages or amounts to prevent surprises during negotiations. In this video, I will explain how to make quotation format updated. Add clear payment terms including due dates, accepted methods, and late fee policies so expectations are set. Define delivery timelines, lead times, and any dependencies that could change the schedule to avoid disputes. Finally, list warranty coverage, return policies, and conditions that would adjust the quoted price, so both parties agree on flexibility and responsibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.